Hello and welcome back to the another video of Python practice programs. And we have already completed 5 programs to cover basics of Python, and this is the sixth program that will help Python beginners to understand Python features better. In this program, we are going to see how to print a table for a given number. To print the table, we are going to use a while true statement. There are multiple other ways also, but here we are focusing on while true statement. While true statement is very useful for complex logics. If you have good hold on this, then it will be easier to break down complex logics in your project requirements. So these are the all programs that we have covered till number 5, and we are in the sixth program right now. Hit the like button if you like the content of this video. You can share link to your friends. That will really help my YouTube channel to grow and your friends to understand. So right now I am on my code editor and we have completed these all programs. So I will add one file here, new Python table of, all right. So the first thing is that we have to take a number from user. So here we go. So we have this number variable and then we are taking the value from user keyboard. All right. After that, we have to declare one variable because we have to run the loop only 10 times. So we require one variable which will count the iterations of while loop. All right. So we have the variable here. After that, we have to create a while loop that will run to 10 numbers. So here on your screen, you can see I have created this loop right now, while true, and I am increasing the counter in all the iterations. So this is statement counter plus equals to 1 is equals to counter equals counter plus 1. So each time it will come, the loop will come, it will add 1 in the existing number of counter. Okay, and then again check the condition. If it is true, then it will break, otherwise it will continue going like this. So what is the difference between while and while true? In while, first condition will be checked, then only loop will be entered. In while true, first loop will be entered and operation will be performed. But in while true, first operation will be performed, then condition will be checked. So this is the difference between while true and while. So many times this question is asked like last interview. So you should know the difference between while true and while. That I will explain in one more video in detail. So right now let's just print this counter if the counter is printing 1 to 10 or not. So as of now number is not required, but yes, if you want to comment any line in Python, this is how you can comment. You put hash icon before the hash keyword before the line. So these all are the comments for your understanding, not code. So I'll just run this once again. So you can see all the numbers are printed. So why it is printed from 2? Because the print we have started after adding. If I will put this here before this plus 1, then the result will be different. So you can see this time it has printed till 1 to 10. The reason is that the statement after this line or the statement before line number 8 makes the difference. So let's see, enable this number and here into number. Then let's see if this Python program is able to print all the table of given number or not. I will enter 4. Now I'll just hit enter. You can see the entire table of 4 on your screen right now. I'll just scroll down. Right. Now let's do the string formatting in Python. So what I will do is I will just change this statement. So I want to print a proper table now. So I will start this quotes. And then the first thing should be printed the number. So input number. When you use these curly braces, then it will consider the input as variable. So number, it is as variable, and after number what we need, one sign of into, that is x in our keyboard, and then again braces, counter, and then we have to print the equal sign, and then the result. So the result will be number, number into counter. Now let's run this program once again. Running this program once again now. Let's see the result. Enter a number. I'll just keep this so that you can see the program also together on screen. 3. So you can see the Python program has given you the output, and this Python program has printed the table of a given number. So hope this video was useful for you and this exercise was useful for you to understand the while loop. So you can have a look on this list once again, and you can hit the like button if you like the content of this video. You can share link to your friends. That will really help my YouTube channel to grow and your friends to understand Python better.